The Uso family, check it out. My brother just pulled up and we're getting ready to wait for the Uber. And we're about to pull up and we're about to make our way to the airport.
Show us up to Uso's channel.
Uso Evo right there. Then we got Jamal, my son.
That's Manuel. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys are here to sub.
Oh, that's us.
Really, Javon? Javon! Bye, Dad. Love you.
Come on, Mark. Bye, Aisha. My cameraman. Hi, baby.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, babe. Give us a mano wave. Let's go. Bye. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, Lion. Bye, Mom. Bye, Asia. Bye, Mom. Bye, hey.
Me and the Uso on our way to the airport. Just finished saying our goodbyes. Check it out. This is our Uber driver. Hey, what's your name, boss man?
Rovell.
Rovell. Hey, if you're in Salt Lake City, get my boy Rovell. 5-star review, right? 5-star review. Man came early. And we're on our way to the airport. So check it out. This is our, hey, what car are we in right now? Dude, he said we're in an Evo. Yeah, right. So yeah, check it out. Me and my brother on the way to the airport. Our check-in is around
Western Samoa.
11:30, I think.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Yeah.
We're content creators.
Yeah. What's up, Uso?
You know some Samoans?
Very nice. Very nice. Thank you, sir. So check this out. I made it through, but tell me why this guy in the back had to go get sent back down to go fix his name. I swear. Gotta be Uso Evo. Dude, see some kids. We should be giving y'all some Hot Wheels, but we gotta get to our gate.
I asked him, am I gonna have any issues when I get to Hawaii?
So check it, if you come to Salt Lake City Airport and you haven't been here before, this is what happens when you first get through TSA check-in. Got a few stores here. They got the Starbucks, Uno DU50.
They wouldn't tell me the second time.
Jay, what's our gate? A. Oh, right there.
Yeah, we're just getting to our gate. 18.
Alright, so we just pulled up to our gate. We're at 8:27. Our time is 11:13. We board at 11:20. and our plane takes off at 12 o'clock. So yeah, it looks like we got a full flight today. So let's go. Day one, me and the Uso. We departed Salt Lake City. I got my Meta recording while my phone's recording me. Got my passengers at the back. Let's go on the way to Hawaii, Honolulu. Cheers! Uso family, so check it out. We just pulled up to Hawaii. I just got off the plane. I'm waiting for my brother to pull out. I'm waiting for my brother to get off the plane. And we'll continue our destination to the next gate. So, let's go. Check it out, family. We just made it to the beautiful Hawaii. Let's go. Look at that. Aloha. Sheesh. Alright, so I just linked up with my brother. We're on our way to the baggage claim. 25 and 26. And then we're gonna go look for somewhere to get our kai on. Let's go. Oh, people are watching me fucking vlogging myself. Because we don't give a damn. Feel me? Hello. Man, bro, as soon as you get over here where it's open, the humidity just kicks in. Like, woo. So check it out, we just pulled up. Oh, chat. Look at that. Uso. Damn. How do we know this is ours? What's that saying? Out of you. This guy is evil. I told you. Evil. Oh man, Uso Evo. Here's my brother in Hawaii. Just got off the plane. And because we know this area very, very well, gonna visit our old stomping grounds. So you see how it looks like it's gonna rain, and you see how it looks cold. It is humid. That is sweat. What's up, Uso family? Check it out. We just finished eating at L&L. Check it out, Uso family. So here's a little tip for you if you're coming to Hawaii for the first time and you have a layover. So that's the airport parking right there. The other side of that is the airport. And if you're looking for somewhere to grub, the L&L right down the road, literally an 8-minute walk. And then you got a Burger King and McDonald's across the road. So yeah. Alright, chat, so check it out. After a 7-hour layaway here in Hawaii, me and my brother finally about to board the Fiji airline and make our way to Samoa. So peep this. There ain't nobody in our line. Yes, sir. So yes, we've been sitting here for 7 hours. But we got so bored, we ended up walking to McDonald's. We walked to L&L, grabbed us some food, came back, And now we're about to check in and go kill some time inside. So let's go. We're on Fiji Airways. Bro, I love coming to Hawaii, bro. The vibes here is awesome. Everyone shows nothing but love, respect. It's pretty cool here. Let's go. Alright, friends, so we're about to check in and make our way inside. And we'll go check out some more restaurants. Let's go. Bro, tell me why we're about to board. And then this guy right here, this is the 4th time today something went wrong with this guy's stuff. Like crazy. And we're just about to board. This guy forgets his whole bag. Shit, well, we got it, guys. So we're on our way to the gate. Samunda, here we come.